Hello friends, today's video is about how to create a multiple day event on Eventbrite. So I was myself stuck with this and I was Google searching on YouTube and couldn't find a video on this, so I am presenting this video. Let's get started. Okay, so here we are. So the topic here is that we want to create two type of events. One is a recurring monthly event and then the other one is a multi-day event. So let's look at a multi-day event first. I'm going to cancel all this and I'll just say add dates, right? Or let's even cancel this first. Okay, so we have no dates right now and we'll go and add dates. And here I just go and choose custom. In custom I say my event will start at 9:30 a.m. and it will finish at 5:30 p.m. Now this will start on the 6th of May, for example, right? And I normally this is same day, so that means this is a 1-day event. Now, when you say next day here, then that becomes a 2-day event. When you say the second day here, then it becomes a 3-day event. So when you say it's a 3-day event is where he says that starting at 9:30 a.m. ending at 5:30 after 3 days, this becomes a 56-hour event, right? So I want to create a 2-day event here, so I go and add this event, and now that you see in the drop down, it will show you that this event starts on 6th of May and finishes on 7th of May, starts on 6th of May at 9:30, finishes 7th of May 5:30. 2-day event, perfect, as we wanted, right? So how do you check that this is a continuous event of 2 days? It's a single event, right? Starting on 6th of May. So I'll go and save this. Once you save this, the next thing you can do is you can preview to see how it shows up to a person who's willing to attend your event, right? So here it will tell you select date and it only shows you one date, which is 6th of May 9:30. When I select that as attendee, then you see that okay, it starts at 9:30 and ends. Now initially I thought this is confusing. It should actually say 6th of May 9:30 to 5:30, 7th of May 9:30 to 5:30. Now to Eventbrite, that means this is two different events. This is a no, sorry, it's the same event but running on 2 days, right? So you have an event running on 6th of May 9:30 to 5:30. Then you have a second event running on 7th of May 9:30 to 5:30, which is not the case. This is a continuous 2-day event. That means it is the same topic that we are discussing for 2 days, is why he shows up like this. So this was the confusing part for me earlier, that why does it show like this, right? But now that I think of it logically, then this is correct. So it says you will start this on 6th of May and you will finish this on 7th of May at 5:30. So it tells the attendee that he's going to be busy from this to this time, basically, right? So that completes the discussion of he showing you how you have a multiple day event scheduled. Now the next thing for us to see is how we are going to. Okay, so the second thing that we see now is how do I go and schedule a multi-day event, a recurring event, like a monthly event. So I'm going to delete this and I will say add, and here I say create a monthly event. So yeah, you can apply the same technique for weekly, daily also, but monthly event. And then here I do not want to choose with dates because dates can, between different months, different dates can mean different weekdays. So I'll say select by week. So for example, this is the event that I want to run every Saturday and Sunday. So then this becomes Saturday and Sunday event, and first Saturday and Sunday event. And then I will run this event from 10 a.m. in the morning to 12 in the afternoon, which means that it's just a 2 hours event. 10 to 12, right? And now we say this is same day, and like you see that it says that it okay, so we now this is interesting, right? This is the other confusing part here. So basically, let's talk about what we have done so far. You have created a monthly event which occurs on the first Saturday Sunday of every month, starts at 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., right? So this same day here means that 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. of Saturday and of Sunday. That is done. Now you may want this to recur only for 2 months. So you will choose between the month of May, that is starting from 1st of May to, let's say, 3 months. So May, June, July to 31st July. So you apply this filter, that means this date schedule between these 3 months. So from 1st of May to 31st of July, whatever is the first Saturday, Sunday, how many of Saturday, Sundays occur, which are the first, which is only one. So you basically created 3 events there, right? And hence it says it's 6 dates of 2 hours each, starting on 4th May. So that means the first Saturday comes on 4th May after 1st of May, because you told them start in May, and then through 7th of July is the last Sunday that comes in, right? And then you have those 3 weekends, 6 dates of 2 hours each scheduled. So that tells you how can you have a monthly recurring event. Now, I have had another question asked by some in the past to say that what if this month I want to have an event on 5th and 6th, and the next month I want to have the same event on 8th and 9th. Now, it will be very difficult for Eventbrite to know that it's the same event, so that it treats them as 2 different events. That means to say that when you want to create a monthly recurring event, the date must be same, or the days, or you choose days, right? So when you choose days, then that sorts it out. If you go and choose day of month, which is date, so which you say that I want to run this on 6th and 7th of every month, then it will be 6th and 7th of every month, right? If you do one event on 6th and 7th and the following month you do 15, 16, then we have to add them into custom, and we add them as 2 different dates. All right, so that wraps us for this video, and hope this helps you and you understood how to schedule multiple recurring events in Eventbrite. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.